will see. Next, in a class, we need to give worksheets to the students. Why? Because we will be having different levels of learning students at different categories we will be having in our class. Based upon that, we need to give certain activities, worksheets like that. And along with that, we need to prepare a question paper also, question paper generation. And after that, once you give questions to them, assignments to them, the students nowadays, they too are far more intelligent than us now. So what do? They make use of AI tool and then copy that assignment answer and then submit to us. But we need to know how to identify whether they themselves have written. Of course, they would have collected the data, but they need to make certain modifications by applying their mind and have to write the assignments, isn't it? So we have to check whether assignments are submitted using AI directly. So as a faculty, as a part of teaching and learning, we need to have such tool with us also. Next, story generation. This I have included in this PPT, in this session. Why? Because here there will be certain language teachers and school teachers also, language faculty, which are dealing in certain universities. For them, the pedagogy will be the story creation, story generation, and then making students get involved in the topic. Okay, so these are the concepts you are going to learn by using AI tools. But what are the tools you are going to learn actually are learnt.ai, tom.app, pop AI, gamma.app, defeat AI, cheat check, story AI, quiz Zeco. Okay, so these are sufficient for you to understand, to make use of this. We have numerous AI tools available, hundreds of AI tools available. Among them, I picked a few so that they will be helpful for us for collaborative work also. I'll tell you that. Certain are free to some extent. Some are pro, but still I want to introduce them because they are very much effective compared to other AI tools which are available. And we have to use AI tools in the upcoming days. So one by one, I'll be explaining you with demonstration, and you are free to ask me any doubts. You can stop me at any time and ask me to repeat. Make sure that you understand how to use these AI tools in your daily college works. First thing, learnt.ai. So here you need to, this is the link. Anyhow, I'll be showing you the demonstration, but still I want to show how the interface will be. Learnt.ai. Go to Google and then type learnt.ai. You will get a screen like this, and here it's enough for us to try for free initially. Click on this, try for free.
Ma'am, your slide is not moving, ma'am.
Is it? Oh, right. Thanks for telling me.
Ma'am, can you play it, ma'am?
If I play, I think you are unable to see the slide. Are you able to see? Have you seen all these tools and content which I have shown you?
No, ma'am.
Just a minute. I will off the video so that you can see them. Right. All these you have seen now? Let me share once again. I'll stop sharing and then share once again. I'll come from the beginning so that I don't teach again, but still I'll run through the slides so that you can tell me where you stopped seeing the slides. You see here, first slide, second, adaptability, quotations, then newspaper clippings, and then certain Stanford University, MIT, all those teacher qualities, agenda. This you are able to see this now. This contents, course creation, lesson plan, and so on.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. AI tools for teaching and learning. So I am talking about learned.ai. See, as soon as you enter this learned.ai in Google, you will get this interface. If you click on that link, I'll give you a demonstration, but before that, have an idea how you see the interface. So click on this try free. It's enough for us. Next, it will ask you to create your account. You should give first name, last name, email ID, and then password. Then you will get a mail from learned.ai, and you are supposed to confirm your mail address. You should click on that link. Then you are able to log in to this account. You see, learned.ai, you are able to log in. Why I have shown you these interfaces, sir? I have already signed up and I have logged in. From here, you can see if I show you the demonstration. Okay, so up to here, how to reach, I'll give you demo. Just a minute. See, what shall we type here? Learned.ai. Are you able to see this screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Already
Yes, ma'am.
mail ID. That is why here we have directly entered into this. If not, as I have shown you certain slides, screenshots, that initially you will find interface in that way. So click on try for free, then enter your details, create your account, which is free to sign up. Then you will receive a mail from learned.ai. In that mail, you see, you will get mail like this. You should click on this confirm your mail. Okay, then you have to log in. Once you log in, this is only one time work. Later on, once you sign up, you can log in any number of times. See, I am in the learned.ai. The interface will be in this way. Okay. Now, tools. Click on tools. I'm talking about teaching. Teaching here. Click on teaching and delivery tools. Number of activities you can perform through learned.ai. Learned.ai itself is sufficient for you. No need to learn as many number of tools as possible. But as the session is meant to learn many tools of AI, I will introduce you many tools. But I found it very beautiful tool which gives us designing, teaching and others also. But I am introducing this tool for you for first thing, course generation. Okay, so first of all, you see, exploring lesson plan, certificate course, learning objectives. See, I think you are all able to see this document. You have seen how to end up to teaching tool, isn't it? So this is how it generates. This is how it generates. Then Java create a course, certificate course on Java programming. So it created like this and gave course aim, learning objectives, and level also it will ask. You know about Bloom's taxonomy, na? Level 1, level 2, like that. To which level you need the concepts, the course content, it will ask you. So next, learner characteristic. What are the characteristics of the learner? All these you need to give. Instructional considerations, course structure, you see. Module 1, how many hours? Module 2, how many hours? Like that. It will assessment strategy. And if you choose, yes, mute yourself. You see, here we will try to create a certificate course like this. You have seen how it appears. Now we will try to create such a certificate course. Now here, up to here, you reach teaching. Now you have lesson plans, poem generators, group activities, concept builders, case studies, like that. Okay? Go to design. Design a course. Click on design a course. Design a course. To the left side of this, you will find certain input. That means learning need. So what shall we do? As I have shown you that I want to create a certificate course on impact of artificial intelligence on education or on students, something like that. Target audience, to which audience I want to give, for example, undergraduate students whose age is around 18 years or so, and course level. You find I. You click on that I, and you can choose from these levels. I think you remember Bloom's taxonomy. Level 1 is remember, level 2 comprehend, apply, and then breakdown of complex relationships like that, compile, make and defined. So based on that, levels are there. But I will choose only level 2 here. Level 2 to some extent. Why? Because we are all teaching to undergraduate students. And course duration. As it is a certificate course, I'll give around 30 hours or so. 30 hours. Okay? And generate. Click on this. Generate. It's generating. Let us wait. Yeah. Are you able to see this? Course title, course aim, learning objectives, learner characteristics. Such a course I have shown you for Java programming earlier, an example here. Okay. Course structure, you see. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence in Education for 3 hours, Ethical Considerations in AI Education for 2 hours, Personalized Learning with AI, Current Trends and Future Perspectives, something like that. Okay, and if you want, you can include all these also, but as I am working with free, let me take only course preparation, download specification. I have downloaded, you see. So from now onwards, if our head of the department asks us to create a certificate course, we need not bother, I think. We can make use of AI tool and you can generate a certificate course, make certain modifications according to our place of the organization, level of the student, and we can submit. Don't you find it simple? Okay. This is one thing which you can work with learnt.ai. Okay, this is one thing. Next, so here, of course, you have created a course. For that, you need a lesson plan, isn't it? You see, certain learning objectives of a course, key points of the course, and what is the opening session for that, introduction, guided practice for that, independent practice, closing session, and what is the homework to be given, what are all to be included. That means you need to keep in mind that there must be key points, there must be opening session, there must be an introductory part, guided practice must be there. That means we are giving work to students to work before us in the classroom itself. Independent practice is you are giving homework to the students to do out of the classroom. So closing session, after completing of the course, how we should close the session by summarizing it and then wrapping up like that. Extension activity, what is to be given? How do you question? So questioning to test understanding must also be included, and homework is to be given. So these are all the objectives of learning. Let us try to create such thing. And also you see, lesson plan of a particular Java programming, I am showing you learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be, and there are certain objectives, materials needed are this, and what are the activities, adaptations, assessment, like that. Okay, I'll give you demonstration of that. So I think creation of a course, designing a course is done. Next, we have created a course.
Praise the Lord. நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா?
Next, we will go for
நல்லா இருக்கோம். அப்புறம் என்ன விசேஷம்?
lesson
அன்னைக்கு
plan. So I
கொஞ்சம்
clicked
புக்ஸ் வாங்கி
on
போனேன்.
teaching. Then
ஆமா அன்னைக்கு
moved on
காலையில
to lesson plan. See,
இவங்கள
here two lesson
சொந்தக்காரங்க
plan
ஒருத்தர்
builders are there.
இறந்துட்டாரு.
This is for a particular topic.
அங்க
How the
போயிட்டாங்க.
lesson plan should be. Here lesson plan builder along with the supporting resources. Let me show you two different ways
அண்ணே
of
தோத்துறோண்ணே.
generating lesson plans.
அண்ணே தோத்துறோம். அந்த
See, lesson
பையன்
plan.
பேசினேன்.
Here topic.
நீங்க
Let me
பேசுறீங்கன்னு
take
சொன்னாரு.
Java
சொல்லிட்டு
programming.
ஏஜ் கொஞ்சம்
Learner
ஒரு 2
age.
வயசு
I
வித்தியாசம்
teach
போல
for
இருக்குது.
undergraduate
அப்படின்னாரு.
students.
அப்புறம் நீ அந்த பையனோட
Age, if
நம்பரை
you want,
கூடியான்ட்டு நான் அந்த
you can
பையன்கிட்ட
give up
பேசுறேன்னு
around
இருந்தேன்.
18
ஏன்னா இவர்
years
வந்து
of age.
சித்தப்பா.
Lesson duration.
அந்த
For
பையனோட
example,
அப்பா
you
ஒரு
see,
நம்பர் கொடுன்னு கேட்டிருக்கேன்.
introductory concepts I want to teach for 50 minutes. 50 minutes. You see, these are the contents. Based on this
இடையில
input,
நம்ம கொஞ்சம் கான்டாக்ட்
you
நம்ம
will
ரெண்டு
get
பேரும்
the
இப்ப தொடர்பு இல்லாம ஆகி போச்சு
See,
நமக்கு.
you can change the. I am going back. I am telling you how to
அதான்
use
இடையில
this
கொஞ்சம்
interface
இதாகி
also.
போச்சு.
Every time we need not go back and choose. You can
இல்ல
choose
அப்படியே தான் இருக்குண்ணா.
different tools from here also.
தொந்தரவு
Course
பண்ணிட்டு தான் இருக்காங்க
structure,
இல்லையா?
poem generator, letter of recommendation, something like that. Okay. So here, next we will try to generate. I clicked on generate and it is generating. You see. For introductory Java programming, there must be a learning objective. Key points are introduction to Java, Java syntax, creating Java programs, writing and executing them. There must be opening session, introduction, guided practice, independent practice, as I have shown you earlier. Okay. So now this we can save it, or you can download it, or still you can copy and paste in a Word document. You see the lesson plan? This is how it is created. Usually we take at least 2 hours or even half day to write a lesson plan, isn't it? This is one way of generating lesson plan, which here it is not including any resources to be included to cover that particular topic. But let me show you another lesson plan builder here, where you are not only generating but freely you are able to download. So lesson topic, object oriented programming concept, something like that I want to deal. Who are the learners? My learners are undergraduate students only around 20 years or 18 years of age. Instructional model are, you see, different types of pedagogies depending upon the pedagogy we are using. Whether we are following cooperative learning, concept-based learning, or experiential learning, we will get different types of lesson plans. Based learning, like that. Okay. So case-based learning if I choose. And lesson duration, as usual, I will take only for 50 minutes of time. As in our timetable we have 50 minutes. I want to include that. It is generating.
சரி வாங்க. ஆமாம், சும்மா நான் ஒன்று போட்டு அப்பயே கிளம்பி வந்துட்டோம். ஒரு காக்கா பீ பண்ணிட்டு விட்டுருச்சே மேலே. அவர் திருப்பி போய் குளிச்சுட்டு வரோம். அதான் லேட் ஆகிடுச்சு.
Object oriented programming concepts. This is how. These are the materials needed. It is showing. You can use these platforms for practicing exercises. For introduction, you must take 5 minutes of time. For concept explanation, 10 minutes. Case study. I think you remember that I have chosen instructional model as case-based learning. And after that, we need to give group activity for students, group presentations and discussions. And lower ability students, higher ability students, special considerations. So assign them what you need to take. For lower ability students, offer a step-by-step guide for applying new principles to the case study. Whereas for higher ability students, assign them additional work, increase the complexity of the program and ask them to do assessment type, formative assessment. This,
hello,
I have downloaded the lesson plan, and I think you find the difference between the previous lesson plan and this lesson plan. You see, introduction to object oriented concepts, learning objectives, materials, structure and activity, whichever I have shown. And remember, in this learned.ai, of course there are several tasks you can do. As I told you that mere learned.ai is sufficient for you for performing teaching learning process. Okay, so I think you are able to see this generated text. In each and every document you find generated text. That means it shows that you have generated from it by using an AI tool. Okay, of course we used that, we generated, no issue. Okay, so these three I have explained you by using learned.ai. So click on tools, teaching, and by using lesson learned.ai, I taught you how to design a course, lesson plan for a course, lesson plan for a topic. Next, Tom.app is another tool, AI tool, which is used for PPT generation. I'm logging out of this learned.ai. Right. See, actually, why I thought of introducing you this Tom.app, though it is pro version, means, see, generate with AI is a pro version. It's not free. But still, I want you to know about this tool. Why? Because, see, we are doing a project, or we assigned a work. Students are doing a teaching on learning. Learning also is our session's topic. So we have given a task for a group of students to give presentation on a particular topic, and they are staying at different places and they want to work collaboratively in preparing a PPT. So in such case, what happens is we can make use of this Tom.app. Tom.app, I have created two here. Okay, start from blank. Look at this. I'm not upgrading, I'm simply sharing you this. You can choose from templates also, you see. Several templates are available. Okay. We can choose from the template, or you can create from blank. So I am giving tools.
அங்க ஓபன் பண்ணிட்டு அவங்க க்ளோஸ் பண்ணாம விட்டுருப்பாங்களோ?
I have given this. Okay. So here you can comment.
ஆனா உங்களுக்கு ஒரு தடவை காமிச்சிச்சா அமௌண்ட் இவ்வளவுதான் அப்படினு? அமௌண்ட் காட்டுச்சு ஒரு தடவை காமிச்சிச்சு.
You can record a narration. So I am explaining you this AI tool using Tomdat app as a free version where you can work collaboratively.
சரி
Okay.
நான் அதான் பொறுமையாக இருந்தேன். சரி பார்ப்போம். ஏன்னா அவர் ஜெகன் சார் என் ஃப்ரெண்டு, ரொம்ப ஃப்ரெண்டு அவர். நான் யாருக்காவது வேலை கொடுங்கன்னா உடனே ரெடி பண்ணுவார். நான் ஆக்சுவலாக இது இப்போ சைபர் கிரைமில் கொடுத்துடலாம், வேறு யார் எடுத்தான்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் அப்படின்னு நான் பிளான் பண்ணேன், பேசிட்டேன். ஏன்னா சைபர் கிரைம் இன்ஸ்பெக்டர் என் ஃப்ரெண்டு, அந்த அம்மா இப்போ இங்கே போயிட்டாங்க, அங்கே இருக்க தாமரக்கண்ண எஸ்ஐ அவர் தான். அப்புறம் அவரே சொன்னார், சார் பெரிய கம்பெனி முத்தூட்டு, அவங்க பேரும் கெட்டு போயிடும். அப்புறம் நானும் இவர்கிட்ட சொன்னேன், சார் வந்திருக்காது.
Another usage of this is that share.
எனக்கு என்ன அது தெரியுமா, அந்த அம்மா கிட்ட நான் ஆதாரம் இதெல்லாம் கொடுத்துட்டேன். கொடுத்த பிறகு தானே பணம் எடுத்தாச்சு வருது, அது வரைக்கும் பணம் எடுத்த மாதிரி வருது. அதனால தான் எனக்கு அந்த அம்மா மேல கோவம்.
So that they too can work on this slide. That is the advantage. Recording, sharing is the primary objective of this. Next, you can import the document and from there you can prepare the PPTs and you can generate the PPT with AI tool, but it is a pro version of that. So Tom.app is suggested only if you want to work collaboratively and if you want to make rehearsals, practice to give presentation as a team. Okay, next. This is how the interface will be of Tom.app. This is the interface. Get started. You can continue with the Google and start with basic. Next, learned.ai, Tom.ai, that app you have seen. Next, pop.ai. This you can use in two ways. This also is not purely free version, but still I would like to explain, because by using this you can have PPT outline also like this. I prepared for introduction to Java programming. Only a few number of free versions are there. I'll try to show you how to generate this, if it permits one more free session today. Pop AI. Right. This is the interface. I have already logged in, you see. Krishnaveni Venkata Krishna. I have already logged in, so I have directly able to enter this. Chart with the document. For example, I will upload a simple document. See, this is introduction to object-oriented programming, which we have generated just now. So from the document, you see, it is showing in general what the document contains. Okay, so by itself it has shown. Start with document. Next is, you see, some questions you may ask. What are the four main principles of object-oriented programming outlined in the document? See, it is showing inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction. So we are chatting with the document. You have uploaded a document. It has shown you the contents of the document and you are questioning to the document. What are the main principles of that? And how does the document suggest applying OOP concepts to solve real world problems? Even the questions we want to ask, that document is also being prompted by POP AI tool itself. You see.
சூப்பராக இருக்கும்.
Okay. Next, this is chart with document. Next, AI presentation. AI presentation. You can make use of the templates. You can have AI presentation, flowchart, images, all those. But I am teaching you PPT generator as I have introduced you in the agenda. See 15 pages, for example. Word amount regular, audience general, slide forms general. So here enter your presentation topic. So to which topic we want to use? Same topic. So please prepare a PPT on impact of artificial intelligence or impact of what do you say, TV or mobile phones on students. Okay, students mental health, something like that you will give. And let us see, click on this. Free plan users can manage up to this. Of course my free account is closed, I think, but I have explained you how to use. Okay, so one I have already created today 4 hours ago. So it has created the outline in this way, presentation outline. You see, you are able to see this. Are you able to see this? First of all, it has created the outline, and after that I have clicked on.
Yes, ma'am. Visible, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is creating. Let me stop creating. Why? Because it's enough for us. Okay, no need of creating all the slides. Cancel this generation. Yes. Are you able to see this? You see, I started at introduction to programming. Okay, class-based structure, PPT, input output operation. It kept on creating the slides. I stopped in the middle. Okay, so look at the presentation view. See, this is the present. How beautiful the PPTs are. Even the PPT I am using is not that much effective, that much eye catching.
இந்த அம்மா சொல்லி கொடுக்குற பிபிடி நல்லா இல்லையா? அது
And
கிரியேட்
you
பண்ணுறது
can
காப்பி
share this also.
அந்த பணம்
Themes you
கட்டிட்டோம்னா
can
நம்ம பிபிடி
choose.
எப்போ
You can
ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி
choose the
கொடுத்துறோம்.
themes. I have chosen this theme earlier. You can download.
மந்த்லி 447
Okay, it is asking for upgradation, but still this is how you have to prepare a PPT generator. Okay, right. So POP AI, by using POP AI I have explained you chart with the document and AI presentation. You can have even images also, images, text generator and all those. Okay, in our agenda I have introduced that for PPT generation. Okay, right. Learnt.ai is completed. Tom.app is over. Next, POP.ai is done. This is what I have explained you. Yes, this looks good. Gamma.app is another AI tool. First of all, I'll show you the presentation which I have prepared you using Gamma.app. Similarly, we will prepare now, so that you come to know for that kind of PPT preparation how much time an AI tool is taking. That is my intention, to show the PPT first, which I have created earlier. Manually, it takes a lot of time to create. Let me start it again, as it is taking more time. Yeah, This is the presentation I have prepared. I asked this tool, AI tool, to create introduction to artificial intelligence in education. Have you noticed these are editable also? So you need not use it as it is for presentation. You can download it or you can modify accordingly and you can use it. See, if you present, see, are they not looking good? The boxes, the images. Actually, it takes a lot of time to prepare such PPTs manually. Okay, so let us try to create such a PPT and let us see how much time it takes for creation of that PPT. Okay, so Gamma dot app. So as I have already logged in, the interface is like this. I am I'm clicking on new. I think you are following. I have just logged into Gamma.app. Next, this interface has appeared. If you want, you can see here also. So this is the screen, initial screen. Try for free, sign up. After signing up, you will log into the screen of Gamma in this way. Okay, now I am choosing this generate and I am choosing this presentation. So generate a PPT. It has 8 cards, 8 slides. It means if you want, you can change, but for us it is sufficient. Not even 8. We can have any number they have given. So generate a PPT on the topic. What is the topic? Impact of politics on artificial intelligence. Let us take intelligence on education system. So generate outline. This is how you have to use that AI tool. This is the outline. 8 cards. First one, introduction, AI in classroom, personalized learning. So these are the cards. Okay. Now, see, I think we are okay with this. If you want, you can modify or brief, or you can choose for detailed description of the card. But for me, it's okay. It's looking good. So let me continue with those 8 cards. And see, there are several themes. So which theme is looking good? I will select one of the themes. Yeah, that's pink. Okay. So let us have something. Now, this is chosen. This theme is chosen. The theme appears like this. And I will click on generate. My God, for us to prepare this, it takes at least 1 day. Create something else. No, not required. Happy. Have you satisfied with the output? Yes. Happy. Okay. Good. Okay. Right. Our PPT is ready within 2 minutes. I think it took 2 minutes or 1 minute. It started at 6:48. Okay, let me try to present it from the beginning. You see, impact on education system. Artificial intelligence is transforming the educational landscape. It has divided into 3 columns and then explaining. See this marks and this kind of images.
சார் ரொம்ப நன்றி.
automatic grading and feedback,
ஒரு கிளாஸ்ல
virtual
இருக்கு
tutors. So
அதான்.
all these
அவர்
impacts
சாத்தி
it is showing.
சொல்லியிருக்கேன். உள்ள இருக்காரா?
Okay.
ஓகே
Right.
ரைட்.
Now,
மட்டுமா?
you can share
அவதி
this
சொல்லிடுறேன். ஜெகன் சார் நைட் மெசேஜ் பண்ணிடுறேன்.
by giving
Thank you.
the mail ID. I am simply downloading it,
இது பிடிச்சி
export it to PowerPoint, and you can have PDF also. Better to have exporting in PowerPoint so that we can make modifications if required. Right. So I have not given any title to that, so it has given as untitled.ppt. I will show you that even. Right.
அதாவது அன்னைக்கு உனக்கு எவ்வளோ 3000 ரூபா கொடுத்தனா துணி தைக்க 3000 கொடுத்தனா
Here watermark. These will be there, made with Gamma by Venkata Krishnaveni.
ஃபீஸ் கட்டின மறுநாள் தைய கொடுத்தோம்.
No issue, because of course we may say that we are making use of AI tool for PPT generation, isn't it?
ஃபீஸ் என்னைக்கு கட்டணும்?
This is how you have to create PPT
நாளைக்கிழமை கட்டணுமா?
in a very less span of time.
ட்ரெஸ் வாங்க போனோமா? ஆமாம். அப்போ அந்த வெள்ளிக்கிழமை தான் காலையில் காசு எடுத்துருப்பேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது நவமி இது.
Okay, so you have learned till now by using AI tool how to create a course, how to prepare a lesson plan for that course along with the resources, how to generate a PPT, and if you have a document, how to know the contents of the document. You can talk with the document as if you are talking with AI. Chat with the document I have shown, isn't it? So here, chat with document in Pop AI. You have seen. Okay. Next is that, as I told you, that you will have different kinds of learners. You see, course creation is completed, lesson plan is done, PPT generation. Now we need to prepare worksheets, question paper, and check whether the assignments are generated by using AI and story generation. Also, I'll be telling you. Right. This is DEFIT. Look at the document. DEFIT is another AI tool. Okay. This is the DEFIT document. Look at that once, and we will try to prepare such documents. See, such documents now. And to prepare such documents, how much time it's taking is also the point we need to consider. So I have entered into this DEFIT, DEFIT.me. Here, please,
அது ஒரு கிளாஸ் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
topic name, theme, what shall I give? Impact of something. This is interesting, na, today. And approximately reading level 5th grade as language. So what it does, will it generate only PPT, or will it generate any other resources for a teacher and a student to learn also? We will be looking now. Generate resources.
இப்போ முடிச்சிடும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் ஏர்மனியோட. நான்
Yeah. I gave same topic now itself, now also, that is why it is showing like this. See, impact of artificial intelligence on teaching and learning. First thing is we need matter here, that is given here. See, you can copy this. Of course I have to log in. Hello, I have logged in. Any doubts?
Yeah, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, any of these tools will be helpful for research work also?
No, actually, AI tools for research is contains another set of tools. Actually, I have taken a session on AI tools on research purpose that is purely different. Only one or two may be overlapping in teaching learning resources, but for research, additional other tools are available.
Okay, right.
வந்துட்டாங்களா? நீ பேசணுமா நான் பேசணுமா? வாங்க 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 எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? சும்மா நான் இதை போட்டேன், வெள்ளை சட்டை போட்டு வந்தேன். ஒரு காக்கா காக்கா பெயிண்ட் விட்டு 2 பேர் வீட்டுக்கு குளிச்சுட்டு துணி எடுத்து அயன் பண்ணி போட்டு விடியா?
These are related to research paper. AI tools to write research paper.
ஒரு கிளாஸ் ஓடிட்டு இருக்கு.
Any of these are free to access.
அப்புறம் காலையில அமெரிக்கன்
Free only. In AI research paper preparation AI tools, I have included all free tools.
ஆமா ஆமா.
Once again show me that slide so that I can take a screenshot of that.
Show it again, ma'am. Okay.
கேப்ரியல்
நீங்க கால் வரும் இது வரும்னு சொன்னீங்க, ஒண்ணும் வரல.
இல்ல காலையில சொல்லிட்டாரு. நான் ஆக்சுவலா உங்களுக்கு சொல்லியிருந்தேன்னா அதே போல பூலான்னு ஒரு பிள்ளைக்கு சொல்லியிருந்தேன். அந்த ஜெயராஜ்னு ஒரு பையனுக்கு சொல்லியிருந்தேன். அவனுக்கு ஓகே ஆகல. அவர் என்ன நினைச்சுக்கிட்டாரு, நீங்க தான் ஜெயராஜ் நினைச்சுக்கிட்டு
Actually, that is different topic. Let me continue with teaching and learning.
சம்பி ஆயிச்சு. அவன் வந்து வேண்டி போயினாச்சு.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
உங்களுக்கு வேணும் அப்படின்ட்டேன்.
So
ஆயிடுச்சு முதல்ல. சரி அந்த பசங்க போடுங்க, அப்புறம் அவன் வேற என்ன தொந்தரவு பண்ணிட்டு கிடப்பான் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா சரி.
Here it has generated content. For any topic, first thing is we need content. You can copy.
நீங்க ட்ரெஷரர்ட்ட சொல்லிருங்க, எஜுகேர் EDU எடுகேர்ல இருந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சாந்தகுமார் அமெரிக்கால
and paste like this.
கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிட்டு
Okay. Or directly you can upload that also. I'll show you. This is the content, and after that
ஆனா உங்களுக்கு புக்குக்கு
there
நீங்க
should be some
கட்டணும் போல.
summary of the topic. That summary is given, and then if you tell students something in English,
மெசேஜ் அனுப்பியிருந்தாரு இது எப்படி?
then there may be some difficult words, isn't it? Suppose in school level, even for us also, while reading something, we will get some doubts on the meaning of certain words. So you see, such complex words meanings are given here as key vocabulary words by the tool itself. And for this topic, you need to prepare multiple choice questions. So in the beginning I told you that
two of your recommended students
here, if you remember,
and Gerson
question paper preparation, worksheets preparation, these two can be done by using this defeat. You see, questions, short answer questions, open-ended prompt questions, student activities also. You see, these are all the forms, printed forms. You see, click on print, you can get activity.
Then who is this Gerson Gabriel அப்படினு கேட்டாரு. That is also a Bible worker.
See, this is what
Bible worker னு சொல்லிருக்கீங்க.
we are able to save.
He is also Bible worker.
Okay.
Okay, we have notified the parents of Gerson. சொல்லிட்டோம் அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டாரு notify பண்ணி. Let us see, அது நம்ம வேணா ஜெயராஜ்க்கு நாங்க
Activity.
இருந்தாரு. I cannot promise அப்படினாரு. அப்புறம் what I should told you earlier, keeping Gerson Gabriel in mind. நீங்க Gerson Gabriel
And you need those templates also, isn't it?
நான் தான் ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ணேன்.
These templates also.
வேணும் அப்படினே உடனே ப்ளீஸ் சென்ட் தேர் போட்டோனாரு. அந்த பசங்க ரெண்டு பேருக்கு அனுப்பிட்டேன்.
So
அட்லீஸ்ட் யாரோ
get student activity. See which one, which template.
ஓகே பண்ணிராங்கல.
Reading printable document. This one looks good, isn't it, for vocabulary practice? So I will take this.
பியூலா எனக்கு மெசேஜ் அனுப்பினா. பியூலா
Get activity, generating the activity. Such activity to our question.
உங்களுக்கு மெசேஜ் வந்திருக்கா பாருங்க, ஏதாவது யூஸ்
பண்ணுங்க. நான் மெசேஜ் அனுப்புறேன், இங்க இருங்க. குட் மார்னிங், ஐ வாஸ் இன்ஃபார்ம்ட் தட் யுவர் சைல்ட் இஸ் அப்ரோச் ஃபார் ஸ்பான்சர்ஷிப் பை அருள்ராஜ் அப்படின்னு நான் சொன்னேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் சொல்லுது, அருள்ராஜ் என்னை கூப்பிட்டாரு, ட்ரெஷரர்கிட்ட சொல்லிட்டேன்ட்டாரு. நான் உடம்பு சரியில்லாமல் இருந்தேன்,
Right. So I am downloading it either in the form of PPT or in the form of PDF, but I have downloaded it in the form of PPT. Let us see how it appears. You see, vocabulary slides, interactive slides.
full tuition fees
அப்படின்னு
please
start
to
ஆச்சுன்னா
Editing is enabled. Vocabulary practice. See, look here. Artificial intelligence is the word for definition characteristics. You can give worksheets to students. Here, personalized vocabulary practice. So I have chosen such worksheets. Okay. And after that, notice and wonder. Read and take notes. After reading this, they have to take notes here. So these are all worksheets. Multiple choice questions. What is one way AI can help teachers? AI can't replace teachers, but AI can replace teachers who use AI.
வரும்போது சொல்லி பேசுறேன் இவரையும் பேசுறேன்
Isn't it?
creation educare எழுதிக்கங்க வேணா
So this
creation
is how
educareல இருந்து
you can
உங்களை
generate
கூப்பிடுவாங்க
questions and you can generate worksheets.
அருள்ராஜ் ஜான் ரோஸ் அப்படின்னு
So let
ஒருத்தர்
me
ஸ்பான்சர்
log out
பண்றாரு
from here.
அமெரிக்கன் ஆர்கனைசேஷன்
If it also, I think you have understood how to make use of the AI tool.
போயிருவீங்க எல்லாருமே நாளைக்கு படிச்சுட்டு போறீங்களா
இல்ல எப்படி
Next, we gave work to students and they have submitted to us one document.
மெசேஜ்ல
Now,
டைப் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க
as a faculty, we should be updated that we should be able to identify whether it is generated from AI directly or not.
ஃப்ரைடே
See,
போயிட்டீங்கன்னா
let us
நாளைக்கு போயிட்டு
do
வண்டியில போய்
கேளுங்க
that.
போயிடுச்சா
AI cheat check is that.
கேளுங்க கமிங் மண்டே
AI cheat check is the name of the AI
ஃப்ரைடே போயிடும்
tool.
சாட்டர்டே
Okay.
சண்டே இருந்துட்டு மண்டே
So how to use it, I will be telling you.
சாட்டர்டே சண்டே தான் எங்களுக்கு எழுதவே இல்லை நாளைக்கு கூட
ஒரே இதா நடத்திக்கிட்டே
என்னைக்கு டென்ஷன் ஆகுது வேலை அதில் இது சுத்தம்
வேலை வாங்க தட்டிக்கு நம்ம அப்படி தான் கஷ்டப்பட்டு ஆகணும் வேலை வாங்கின பிறகு நிமிந்துக்கலாம் முத மாதிரி இல்லை இல்லைப்பா
வேலை கிடச்சிங்க அப்படியா வேலை கிடச்சிருக்கு நிமிந்துக்குருவாங்க
இல்ல இல்ல அப்படி வராது அப்போ வந்து எத்தனை பேர் இருக்காங்க தெரியுமா
My free version is completed
creation
I think
educare
today, but still I will try.
creation
அதை கேட்டு இருக்குது
கிரியேஷன் போட்டேங்க மச்சான்
educare edu
எவனுக்கு அப்படித்தான்
CARE.
அது இதை பத்தி தெரியாதுல்ல
எங்களுக்கு நாங்க
Educare,
சாட்டர்டே வரணும்
அமெரிக்கா.
உங்களை பத்தி
USA
சர்வை பண்ணணும்ல பிள்ளைகளை படிக்க வைக்கணும் சாப்பாடு
அவ்வளோதான் போட்டு சேவ் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க
I will sign up now.
உட்காந்து நின்றுட்டு இருக்கோம் இல்லாட்டி எது கூட வழி இல்லாமல் இருக்கும்ல வண்டி ஃபீஸாக கட்டிடுறோம் பெட்ரோல் போட்டு போயிடுறோம் பிள்ளைகளை ட்ராப் பண்ணிடுறோம் சிலதெல்லாம் அப்பப்போ வாங்கி கொடுத்துட்றேன் திங்ஸ்
So I'll sign up by giving password. Just a minute. It's interesting. I don't want to miss this AI tool
ஏதோ
explanation.
சிக்கன் பிரியாணி
அதான் நீ ஒரே இது வாங்கினேன் காய்கறி கொஞ்சம்
இதை
காய்கறி
வச்சு கொண்டு போயிருவீங்களா தூங்கல சரியா அவனுக்கு அந்த பாக்கியம் ஹஸ்பண்ட்
அது நான் போயிட்டு வந்தேன் ஆனால் அன்னைக்கு கொண்டு வரல நான் சனிக்கிழமை நான் போயிட்டு வந்துட்டேன் நான் மில்லர் அண்ணன் வேறு வந்திருந்தாரா இங்கே என் குழந்தனோட சின்ன மாமனார் வேறு இருந்திருந்தாரு
பழைய
சொன்னா
மாமனார் இருந்தால் அதுக்கு தான் நான் அன்னைக்கு போயிருந்தேன்
அங்கே போயிட்டு பிறகு
ரொம்ப
வந்த
கேவலமா
மாதிரி நம்ம
ரோட்ல இறக்கி பணத்தை போட்டு
எங்க
ஆமாம் நாங்கள் போன அன்னைக்கு எனக்கு எல்லா விஷயமே தெரியும் எனக்கு சனிக்கிழமை சொல்லிட்டாங்க சர்ச்சுக்கு வர சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க சர்ச்சுக்கு தான் போனோம் நம்ம ஸ்கூலுக்கு
I have to share the screen. Just a minute.
அங்கே இவன் இருந்தியா அந்த ஜோஷுவா
போறக்கு பார்க்க
கேலேப் ஜோஷுவா
So I tried to give
அவங்க வேலை பார்க்குறாங்க
password. That's why I have closed it. Okay then.
ஆமாம்
See,
அந்த
check.
டாஸ்மார் மச்சான்
Checker AI
Taskbar
or
மச்சான்.
that. See, I'll open ChatGPT.
வெளியே 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 வேணா வாங்கினா அப்படின்னு கூப்பிட்டு போனோம்
இவன் ஆண்ட் தான் வேலை செய்யறான்
ஆண்டவனை பார்க்கல போனோம்
My teacher has given me to write about artificial intelligence. Write a paragraph on artificial intelligence.
மொபைலில் இருந்து நீங்கள் எழுதுறீங்களா
So what I did, I think you're all able to see the screen.
ஒரு ஃப்ரேம் பண்ணி எழுதி
I have given the prompt in the ChatGPT, copied and submitted like this.
வழியில சிஎஸ்ஐ காரமும் சூப்பரா கட்டி போட்டுருக்காங்க பின்னாடி இடம் வந்தோடனே போற வழி இல்லாம
Okay, let us take this
பாதை இருக்குது
as it is.
பட் அந்த அந்த வீட்டு முன்னாடி இருக்கிறவங்க விட மாட்டேன்
Copy, I pasted, analyze. Click on analyze.
டேரக்ட் போட்டு விட்டாங்க ரோட்ல
இந்த கிளாஸ் இந்த முடிச்சிடுறேன். நீங்கள் போகணுமா உடனே?
நாங்கள் போனோம் பார்க்க முடியும். நாங்கள் விசாரிச்சு கேட்டோம்.
AI probability 100%. Have you noticed here?
Yes, ma'am.
100% probability. That means 100% I have generated using AI. This is how we can identify. This is checker AI actually. My AI cheat check is free is completed for me, but I will show you the screenshot how it works to you. Yes, better I did this. So you will get like this. See, 100% certain the text was written by an AI. Like this you will get it. If you copy and paste and click on check, you will get message like this. 100% certain the text was written by an AI. You need not go for plagiarism checking, Turnitin, something like that. It is enough if you make use of this AI tool to identify whether the student has submitted your assignment simply by copying and pasting from AI tool. Okay? Next. Questions and flashcards preparation. This is also a hectic task for us. So with this, let us see. Quiz Zeko. See, I have created questions for this. You can create a quiz or you can create flashcards. AI in education benefits for students I have created. Let me try now. I'll create now itself before you.
வீட்டுக்கு போனாலும்
We need basic plan only.
நாங்கள் வீட்டுக்கு ஃபோன் போட்டு யாரை கேட்டோம்.
Continue with
இந்த
basic.
இதுதான் சொல்லி தர போகிறேன் நான். இப்போ நான் படிச்சுக்கிட்டு
அதாங்க வாரேன் நீங்கள்.
So
அதான்
let me create flashcards.
10,000னா
அப்புறம் இங்கே எதை பார்த்தீங்க
View
மண்டபம்
flashcards.
2000 ஆனால் யாரும் வரலன்னா வீணாக போயிரும்ல. 2000 எனக்கு வீணாக போயிரும்ல.
This is what I have already created.
நானா போய்
What is one way AI can support personalized learning like that? Answer it is showing.
இந்த இடத்த நாங்கள் இந்த சாயங்காலம் நடத்துகிற வண்டியெல்லாம் இருக்குது, அதில் இங்கே நடந்துக்கிட்டாங்க.
ஏன் இந்த வட்டம் நம்ம கரெக்டாக எது வைக்கல கமெண்ட் போட்டுருக்கோம். போன வருஷம் வச்சோம்ல. ஆமாம், நீங்கள் தேனியில் வச்சிங்கல்ல கோடியில்.
சர்ச்சை பிடிக்கிட்டாங்களே என்கிட்ட தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு?
சர்ச்சையும் பிடிக்கிட்டாங்களா?
சர்ச்சை பிடிக்கிட்டாங்க. எனக்கு சம்பளம் இல்லை. இப்போ எனக்கு 50% தான் சம்பளம்.
Yeah, today's free version is sorry. I have practiced actually.
சம்பளம் வந்து 24,000 25,000 கிடைக்கும்.
How to create
30,000 அதில் பிடிச்சிக்கிட்டு போக மீதி 20,000. இப்போ வந்து வெறும் 12,000 போடுறான். வீட்டு வாடகை ஒரு 7,000, மொத்தம் 17,000 தான் தர்றான்.
எதுக்கு சர்ச்சை பண்ணுவீங்க?
சும்மா பிடிச்சவங்க வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப் வச்சிருக்கிறேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இப்போ நீ பழி வாங்குறேன்.
I will log out. So this is Quiz Zeko.
நீங்கள் ஒரு சர்ச்சை தொடங்க வேண்டியதுதான்.
அதுக்கு தான் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன்.
Login using Google.
அதான் அந்த பக்கம் வீரபாண்டி பக்கம் ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா அப்படின்னு யோசிச்சுட்டு.
Yeah. Look here. Create. I think you are able to find. I'll try to create. If it creates, okay, or otherwise you will know how to use it. Okay. Enter your text. So what do I want? I want to prepare questions on Java programming concepts, programming inheritance, something like that. Okay. Generate.
வாங்க இங்கே ஆஸ்பத்திரியில் பார்த்து விட்றேன்ட்டு எல்லாத்தையும் கேட்டு வைக்க பிசினஸ் பண்ணுறேன். சரி பாதி காசு தரேன் அப்படி பார்த்தா வரவே இல்லை.
So it is showing multiple inheritance. What aspects of that? Hierarchical. All these I want to use.
அதுக்கப்புறம் குளுக்கோஸ் ஏற்றி அதுக்கப்புறம் நார்மல் ஆகி அதுக்கப்புறம் வாங்க வீட்டுக்கு.
Question paper generation, I am telling you. Questions and flashcards generation. I have given a topic. Question type we can choose here. By default, whatever is there, I have used. So finished creation. Okay, you see. I think you are.
போய் மிஷின் ஆஸ்பத்திரியில் போய் பார்க்கலாம்.
Remember that Java programming inheritance I have given. So these are the questions. Multiple choice questions I have included, isn't it? Now you can play. Click on this play quiz, or you can play as study flashcards. You see flashcards. View flashcards. You see what type of inheritance is demonstrated. Flashcard question we will show to students. It will give you the answer. And how well did you know this? Next, what is the purpose of this? Show the answer. So like this, you can make use of the flashcards preparation. And you see, suppose I want to ask the students to play as quiz. See, look here, this is how it appears. What type of it? We have chosen multiple question types. So this one.
இங்கே பாரு
Okay.
சொந்தக்காரங்களும் சும்மா இருப்பாங்க சொந்தக்காரங்களே
Something I have chosen randomly. Okay, all wrong answers I am choosing. Okay, right. I think you are able to. Yes.
Ma'am, how many questions will it generate at one time?
14 questions. Free version I am teaching you. Free version, 14 questions it is generating, and you can choose the difficulty also, different types of questions, language, and the maximum questions. Yeah, 10 only auto generation. Paid version up to 40. I think you are able to see this.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
By default 14 auto it is giving, 5-10 free. Like this. You can assign to students also. Okay, assign if you want to assign, you need to go for upgrading version. Share, you can share to students. See, I'll copy the link and I can paste like this. So this is what I have pasted here. Like this, you can assign directly also. Okay. So 4 minutes is left. 4 minutes is sufficient. See, directly I have assigned. The student is able to.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, can you share the PPT for us, ma'am, after this session?
Yes, I will share.
Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
So, in 4 minutes, I will come story AI, which is left over. Last AI tool. Yeah. Story generation using AI tool. So I'm logging out this Quizzico, ChatGPT.
நான் 3 நிமிஷத்துல முடிச்சிருவாங்க.
Then story AI. Story AI. Useful for language teachers. Teaching learning process for language teachers. Yeah, look here. Write your own story with AI. Suppose I want to write some children's story. I can give name as Krishna, age 18-19 years, gender female. Anything else you would like to add about this character? Beautiful. Add a character. If you want, you can add many more characters. Okay, only one character in our movie, in our story, sorry. When does the story take place? Okay, so here you can give early in the morning at 5 a.m. Any story theme, the value of friendship theme. Any special requests? Okay, so it should honesty is the best policy, something like that. Okay, brainstorm story ideas. So email me my story. You will get a mail. See, yeah, story AI. Even Gamma PPT also is ready. We have shared na your story ideas. Confirm your email address. Yes, I have confirmed.
நீ போயிட்டு வா, நீ போய் நான் இப்போ கிளாஸ் எடுத்துருக்கேன். இந்த பக்கத்தில் டீ கடை இருக்கலாம், நீ போய் குடிச்சோம்ல.
Now, log in, get magic link.
இது டீ கிடையாது.
See, look at the ideas here.
வாக்கா, என்ன கடை?
இந்த
These
எழுத்து
are the
மாதிரி
brainstorming
எழுத்து மாதிரி
ideas.
ஒரு கடை இருக்கு அங்கேயும் இருக்கு.
மேலே உட்காந்து பிடிக்க முடியல.
Which
இல்ல, அங்க-
idea
அங்க
do
உள்ள
we
டீ கடை,
like?
இதுல வந்து டீல
Actually,
சர்பத்
we
இருக்கு.
have to read this. Okay, I took
இந்த
one
எழுத்து மாதிரி
story
போங்க அங்க அங்க டீ கடை இருக்கு இந்த
and
இதுக்கு நேரா, இந்த
generate
இடத்துல
a story.
இந்த இடத்துல
Okay, upgrade to generate a story. It is asking for.
இது முக்கியமான கிளாஸ் இப்போ இது முடிஞ்சு இது நான்
Premium.
கத்துக்கிட்டேன்னா நான் சொல்லி கொடுப்பேன்.
But the way how you should
சம்பாதிக்கணும்லம்மா
use is
வந்து
this.
வருமானம் இல்லாம
How to use a story
பாருங்க
AI
இப்ப
is
எவ்வளவு
in
காசு
this way.
செலவாகுது இருந்த காசெல்லாம் காலியா
So which
போச்சு.
is helpful for language teachers. Up to here you can give brainstorming of ideas. You can make use of those brainstorming of several ideas
ஒண்ணும்
which
இல்ல
it has given.
இந்த அவங்க
See,
கூட போய் டீ குடிச்சிட்டு
at
வந்துருங்க
least in
அந்த
the in
கிளாஸ்
our
அவங்க கூட போயிட்டு வாங்க
classroom, you
போயிட்டு
can
நான்
make
வரேன்.
use of all these.
ஆ.
Okay, right. So
Ma'am, I have a
one is
question.
left over. Yes.
Ma'am, suppose we've generated a story using this tool Story AI, right? And we want to publish a story. So, but then there is another tool, the Checker AI. So, our
Yeah.
story will come under plagiarism, no?
No, it will come under plagiarism, but it gives us an idea, a theme. Based on that, we can write on our own. We can make certain modifications like that.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Instead of walking blindly, we will have some race of hope. It will show us the direction how to write.
Spectrum of ideas we will have.
Right, brainstorm of ideas we will be getting. Right, education world, 10 greatest activities. Teaching with the newspaper is also one of the activities along with AI tools. For additional content, actually if time permits, I thought of explaining all this, but okay, anyhow I'll be giving you this. I acknowledge our principal sir Dr. V. Salim Basha Garu for permitting me to take online sessions for ACT Academy. I thank ACT Academy team, and I thank you so much for our lovely participants for encouraging me. And if you have any queries or sessions to be conducted on NIRF, NAC, IPR, OER, AI tools, pedagogies, any questions? Right, it's time is up. Yeah.
Ma'am, don't forget to share the PPT for us, ma'am.
Okay.
Madam, give your mail ID and mobile number, madam. Please go back to
Okay.
previous slide. Your mobile number, please.
Right. Yes.
Can we create a drag and drop type of quiz through AI, ma'am?
Yeah, it's possible. Among the
Sure.
set of options we can choose.
Okay, which